Welcome back to another quick short tutorial video. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can add multiple picture on Instagram stories. It's a very simple process. To learn it, watch the video till the very end. So first of all, you have to make sure that your Instagram app is up to date. To check your Instagram update is available or not, go to Play Store and search Instagram. If your Instagram app update is available, then update your Instagram app, then open it. After open your Instagram app, then go to your profile, and from here you have to tap on this plus sign at the middle. So tap on here and then tap on story. Now you have to tap on here to go to your gallery, and then now you have to select one picture from here. So I'm gonna select this one. Now I wanna add some more picture on my stories. So now all you need to do is just tap on this speaker icon at the upper second one. So tap on here, then scroll down a little bit, then tap on this plus sign icon, and now select another picture. So I select this one, and then now you can resize it as you want. So this one is great. Now replace it anywhere on this display, and following this same process you can add another picture on this stories. So I'm gonna add another one and resize it and replace it anywhere on this display. And if you want, you can add more picture on this stories. So I'm gonna add one more, so this one, and yeah, after that you have to tap on this arrow icon at the lower right side, tap on here, and then tap on share. Then tap on done. Not now. And our work has been done, so let's check this out. And here, as you can see, that my multiple picture has been added to my one Instagram story. So I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.